how GPT transformed my marketing approach. Want to make your marketing smarter, faster and more creative? GPT can generate brilliant ideas, craft engaging content, and save hours of work every week. AI is changing the way campaigns are built, making them more effective and innovative. Hello, I'm Vlad Sapožnikov, a marketer with more than 10 years of experience. In this video, I will show you how I use GPT in marketing. First, you will see how I generate creative ideas for campaigns and adapt them to different audiences. And finally, I will give you practical tips on how to use GPT effectively to save time and get better marketing results. Stage number 1. Idea generation and content planning. When I start any marketing project, the first thing I do is jump into GPT Plus. Honestly, this tool has completely changed how I come up with ideas. For example, last month I was planning an ad campaign for one of my side projects. I fed GPT some basic info and PDF files about the audience and product, brand positioning, and within minutes it was giving me dozens of creative angles I hadn't even thought of. But I don't just use it for brainstorming. I use GPT to structure everything from organizing the full marketing strategy to outlining ad campaigns and planning content for YouTube, Instagram, or even website blogs. One thing I love is its ability to analyze competitors. I can see what they are doing, spot gaps, and find opportunities to do it better. I wanted to grow my YouTube channel faster. I asked GPT to suggest video ideas based on trends and audience interests. Even I show it to my own channel to analyze it and more ideas to get. Not only did it give me engaging topics, but it also helped me structure scripts that kept people watching longer. It even analyzed my videos and made me suggestions to improve. The result? My engagement rate went up, and I spent way less time stressing about what to post next. GPT Plus isn't just a tool. It's like having a creative partner that's always ready to brainstorm, plan and analyze. It's the secret sauce for starting any marketing project on the right foot. Stage number 2. Content writing and editing. Once I have my ideas, it's time to turn them into actual content. This is where Claude 3.5 Sonnet comes in. Honestly, it's like having a co-writer who never sleeps. When I was creating content for one of my side projects and the IT company I work with, I started with a raw draft, sometimes just a few bullet points or a first script for YouTube. Then Claude steps in to polish it, fix the flow and make it sound professional without losing my personal voice. I also created the AI agent and fed it with a brand book, content strategy and market research I made. Now it knows the whole marketing system and makes content based on the tone of voice and emotions I need to promote. Sometimes I even let Claude generate completely new drafts or blog posts. I just tweak them a little, add my own spin, and suddenly I have high-quality content ready for social media, websites or YouTube. One recent example. I needed a series of Instagram posts and a couple of blog articles in just one day. Normally, this would take hours or even days. With Claude, it was done in a fraction of the time, and content got better engagement than I expected. What I love most is how it saves me time and stress while still letting me keep my unique style. It's like having an assistant who can write, edit and improve content whenever you need. A total game changer for anyone serious about marketing. Stage number 3. Visuals and video production. Marketing isn't just about words, it's also about how your content looks and sounds. That's why I put a lot of focus on visuals and video production. For example, I use Sora to generate images for one of my YouTube channels. This saves me hours of design work and helps me create visuals that stand out. When it comes to video, VidIQ is a lifesaver. It helps me cut long recordings into shorts and reels, analyze performance and improve SEO. so my content reaches more people. One time, I had a 20-minute video and needed multiple short clips for Instagram and YouTube. VidIQ made it fast and simple, and the engagement skyrocketed by 10 times. For voiceovers, I rely on ElevenLabs. It can generate my own voice or different voices depending on the content, which is perfect when I need a professional touch without spending hours in the studio. Finally, Google Flow Veo 3 helps me create branded intros and professional video inserts. This makes my channel look polished, consistent, and recognizable. Using these tools together, I can build a complete visual and audio identity for my projects and save a ton of time in the process. Want more videos like this? Like this video, write comments, and subscribe to my channel. Stage number 4. Automation and workflow efficiency. Once the content is ready, the next step is making everything run smoothly. That's where automation comes in. I use make.com to manage my calendar and connect different tasks. Instead of spending hours on repetitive work, I can focus on creating and planning. I'm also learning how to set up auto-posting for social media. Imagine being able to schedule content to go out across all platforms automatically. No need to post manually every single time. One recent week, I set up a series of posts in advance, and it saved me hours of work while keeping my channels active and consistent. This step is not just about saving time, but also about making the entire marketing process smarter. When content creation, publishing, and planning are connected, I can focus on strategy, creativity, and growing my projects instead of getting bogged down in routine tasks. Automation allows me to scale my work without burning out. And if you want to make your marketing smarter, faster, and more effective, automation strategy and the right analytics can save your time, boost results, and help you focus on what really matters, growing your business and reaching the right audience. If you want to take it a step further and learn exactly how to promote your business, sell your products, and make your marketing more effective, ElevenLabs is here to help. Our consultations combine practical advice, in-depth market research, and actionable strategies to make your marketing targeted, effective, and results-oriented. I personally offer up to 5 hours on consultant per week to help you improve your marketing and grow more effectively. Let's address your specific marketing challenges and make sure you are moving in the right direction. Visit ElevenLabs.com and book your personalized consulting package today. Follow the link, fill out the form, and we will schedule a free consultation, where you will learn what steps you need to take to grow your business or startup if you're just starting out, or how to increase your profits if you are already more advanced. AI and automation are completely game changers for anyone serious about marketing. They don't just save time, they let you work smarter, focus on strategy, and put your energy into the things that truly grow your business. When your workflow is smooth, your content is high quality, and every step of the process is connected, results come faster and more consistently. These tools give you freedom to be creative, make smarter decisions, and scale your efforts without burning out. The real power of AI and automation is that they allow you to combine efficiency with innovation. You can test ideas faster, reach your audience more effectively, and constantly improve your campaigns. Embrace these tools, stay consistent, and push your marketing to new heights. Your business will grow, your impact will increase, and you will achieve results that would have taken much longer before. And hey, if you haven't seen my last video yet, go check it out. I break down 7 psychological triggers that make people buy. No fluff, just real tips you can use right now. Click on it, give it a watch. You will love it. See you soon. Bye.